You ready?
Yep, where are we?
All right, so we're at Lake Plains Medical in Albion.
And look at this. So this is a Campbell Haughton, but weird. Listen to this. It's a micro switch button.
Yep. And here we are. We'll let Jason enter first. I've seen this many times.
Look at this old cab. Look how high these buttons are. So just as I am 6'2", and this is above my head.
Actually, I'm 6 foot tall. If you want to get a look at how tall those buttons are.
Yeah. No,
those are tall buttons.
We'll let the door close and we'll listen to the motor start up. Could be a piston pump. That only levels in the down direction.
Yep. I love the feel of these buttons, though.
I've never seen these.
We've seen this many times on our side. Yeah, there's Jason. You can see just how high that panel is.
Wow. These one more. Yeah, we'll do one more ride. Listen. Can you switch direction?
Yep, switch direction without opening the door.
That is an awesome... Actually, we should show the call button on one. Well, I'm going to end up on one. I want to show the call button. All right, here we go.
Should we get out and look? The call button?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
All right, let's...
I love that startup.
This thing is really old, but look at this
And
button.
here's the Haughton call button.
Wow. Get this dumb thing out of the way. That is really nice.
And it does take a moment to close. Used to have bumpers, they got rid of those.
All right, that's it.